to go to work. Time to go to work again, guys. Come along with me for a short ride. It's just gonna be a short ride. Going to work this morning, Tuesday morning. Good morning, Jacksonville. Good night, Philippines. We have backwards our time, guys. Good morning here and good night in the Philippines. I think it's full moon today. I'm not sure. I see the moon out there. It's very big. So I think it's full moon. I don't know if it was last night or tonight full moon. Another day to work. It's still darker, guys, because it's almost winter. Yeah, it's almost winter. That's why 7 o'clock in the morning, it's still dark. But during summer, it's bright. I think the weather is gonna rain because the cloud is getting thicker. The sky is very cloudy. Yeah, very cloudy sky, guys. So rain is expected today. I'm back on my regular shift, guys, 7 to 3 in the morning, daytime. Last week I worked 1 to 9. The whole week I worked 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. That was last week. I switched with my coworker because I was doing light duty last week. Yeah, I was doing light duty last week. So this morning and yesterday I worked my regular shift. Guys, I'm gonna go. Bye.